One of the pieces that I see when a surge of energy, big download happens, is the body feels like it's about to lose connection with that loop of light. And in ancient scripts, they talk about the snake eating its tail, essentially creating a connected loop. And so if your body, Deva, has ever had any traumas where there's a weakness in its divine cosmic loop, a break in the loop, then when you get these energetic downloads, the body is going to try to eat to reestablish connection, heal its divine cosmic loop. Instead of eating and packing on the pounds, if we don't want to pack on the pounds, then you could say Body Deva. Every single day you could do this for the next 2 weeks or 3 weeks or month, which then helps heal it so that it's then just resolved, and then you don't go to eating when there's an energetic download or headaches, because pain can also try to reestablish that connection with that loop. And you take a deep breath in. You, soul rider, pull your energy and awareness into your divine line. As you hold your energy and awareness in your divine line, take a moment to invite your body, divinity, your spirit, at the level of its higher self, to reference its divine cosmic loop, and to explore in its divine cosmic loop any breaks, any weaknesses, any shredding, any portion of the divine cosmic loop that feels a little shredded. And if you've got solar plexus issues, i.e., you eat with downloads or you don't want to eat when there are these big energetic downloads or you get super stressed, then check your divine cosmic loop, but just opposite your solar plexus. It's the divine cosmic loop, Body Deva, that's in front of you, opposite your solar plexus, but it's a huge loop. And you could just imagine Body Deva very slowly going down the spine, spinal cord, divine line, out the base chakra, and start repairing Body Deva using your higher self, your energetic fields, your entire divine cosmic loop, repairing every single thread, every line, cleaning it, protecting it, shielding it, and going down all the way down into the heart of earth, repairing it, shielding it, protecting it, repairing all the crystalline structures within and around that line. And then from the heart of earth, looping back up in front of Body Deva, repairing any shredding, any break, protecting, shielding, repairing. And your body's just reweaving and coming up. If Body feels hybrid, it would go take its line of light through the heart of another world, repairing it at that insertion point to that other world, repairing, protecting, shielding, coming out from that world, repairing, shielding, protecting. Keep traveling up, repairing, shielding, protecting. Keep coming up, Body, repairing, shielding, protecting. And if you've had a tendency to not be able to remember, you forget everything, then really check this upper portion of repairing all of those lines. It's the top portion of divine cosmic loop of Body Deva. And then it comes all the way, keep repairing, protecting, shielding, repairing, connecting, shielding, all the way to the insertion point, to the spark. Keep preparing as it comes in to the spark of Body Deva. Repairing, protecting, shielding, and then coming from the spark, Body Deva, repairing, protecting, shielding from spark as it comes down to top of head, repairing, protecting, shielding from above, repairing, protecting, shielding. And interesting, the body's endocrine system is directly tied in with that upper portion as it comes from its spark down. And so if you have endocrine imbalance, body deva repair. If you have hot flashes, body deva repair. Your divine line, divine cosmic loop, upper portion, repair, protect, shield, repair, protect, shield, repair, protect, shield. And just be in that mantra as you slowly watch your body. Your body's holding its awareness, repair, protect, shield, as it comes all the way down through top of head. Repair, protect, shield. Repair, protect, shield. And then coming down the spine, repair, protect, shield. Repair, protect, shield. Repair, protect, shield. All the way down into base chakra. And then breathe. Balance and stabilize. Update grids. All reference points. And say, Body Deva, you just repaired, protected, shield your divine cosmic loop. If you have a lot of lung stuff, coughing, then you're going to want to say, Body Deva, can you repair, protect, and shield your divine line right as it goes through all those thoracic vertebrae in the spine, right behind the lungs, repair, protect, shield. It's right behind the heart chakra. And so a lot of the times the body's divine line, divine cosmic loop will get shredded in the energy centers in the body, especially if there's been energetic situations that haven't been safe. Repair, 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 body, repair, protect, and shield. And you could write down that sentence of body, repair, protect, shield, your divine cosmic loop, every single portion. And you may have a sense of a particular portion of your divine cosmic loop of body that needs a little extra attention to detail. And so every day, you're just like, body, check that upper portion of your divine cosmic loop, or from the spark as it comes down, if there's a lot of endocrine stuff. Or let's check that divine line, Body Deva, that runs through your spine, your spinal cord. And then breathe, balance and stabilize. Update your grids, all your reference points, all ways in which you perceive. So again, with energetic downloads, when the body's divine cosmic loop is repaired, protected, and shielded, it doesn't get destabilized when an energetic shift, when a challenge, when a trauma happens. Your body's going to have a lot more elasticity with this strong, protected, and shielded loop of light.